Acid rain. Have you ever wondered what causes acid rains? Well, sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen causes acid rains. Sulfur dioxide is released through natural means from volcanic eruptions, and through man-made means by burning of fossil fuels releases sulfur dioxide into air. Nitrogen is released from factories and vehicles, and by natural means through lightning. These gases are released into atmosphere. In our atmosphere, these gases react with water vapor and oxygen to form their respective acids. They react to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. They precipitate in the form of acid rain. Now, what are the side effects of acid rains? They damage buildings and monuments. They damage crops. These rains remove essential nutrients from the soil, causes respiratory problems in humans, even affects aquatic animals. Trick to remember acid rains. The last two letters, N and SN, stands for oxides of nitrogen. S stands for sulfur dioxide.